scrap. This one is called Reef, and it features 2 of these gorgeous underwater prints and then 2 what we're calling the wave print. To accompany that, we've got our usual gorgeous cover stock papers, 2 each of the gold and then that lovely green with the texture, 2 yellow, and then 2 sea foam. To stretch your paper even further, we're including a dozen photo mats. We've got 3 each of the green, yellow, gold, and sea foam. To round out your kit, we're including 2 12 by 12 printed cut-aparts. And once you separate all of these elements, you'll have plenty of page titles, your journaling prompts, some tags, and beautiful imagery from the collection. We're also including this really cool printed die cut. And once all the pieces are separated, you're going to be able to use these on your pages as well. We're adding 3 beautiful ribbons to your kit. They include this seafoam, silk, and then a metallic gold, and 2 yards of this narrow yellow grosgrain. And you'll get a handful of these sweet shell buttons, 2 jellyfish charms, and a silver nautilus charm, and this sparkling resin fishtail. Our goal here at Club Scrap is to not only send you the most beautiful things, but show you how to use them in such a way that there's nothing left over at the end. You literally use every piece that comes in the kit if you follow along with our printable instructions and full video workshop. I'll guide you through the process of turning all of the papers and embellishments ribbons that come in the box into a set of 8 12 by 12 pages completely ready for your photos. We'll incorporate all of the ribbons, the photo mats, the embellishments, the cut-aparts, the die cuts, absolutely everything that came in the box, so that all you have left to do is add your photos and preserve your memories. So let's go ahead and make these Reef pages together. I'll show you how. See you in class.